Hello friends, welcome to educational video. The first part of electrical panel assembly is the ducting part. We set the distance of the ducts to 13 cm. Now we fix the rails in place. The rail and duct section is finished. Now we put the parts in place. 3 RCCB keys, 2 miniature keys, and 3 phases controller. 7 miniature switch again, and the electrical warning device. A switch for emergency power is installed in this switchboard. 3 inputs for city electricity, 3 inputs for emergency power, and 3 outputs for panel electricity. In this step, we connect the wires to the key. Now install the key in its place. This is for city electricity, and this is for emergency power. Now we arrange the wires a little. At this stage, we install the city's electrical terminal or the main terminals, and this is from the emergency power terminals. Now we connect the emergency power and city power wires to the terminals. City electricity enters from the red terminals, and emergency electricity enters the switchboard from the gray terminals. And these 3 phases enter the electrical panel. At this step, we connect the null wire to the city electrical terminals and emergency electrical terminals and to the electrical panel. If you like the video, please press the like and subscribe button. Now, we connect the output wires of the miniature keys to the output terminals. 2 yellow wires have a common null, and 2 green wires have a common null. And the 3 red wires also have a common null. Now it's time to connect the wires to the terminals. Here you can see that we connected all the output wires of the electrical panel. Now at this stage I connect to output null wires. The first null wire is connected to this RCCB switch, and the second null to the second switch, and the third null to the third switch. Now we connect the null wires to the terminals. Now we connect the input wires of the miniature switch. This RCCB switch is connected to the 3 miniature switch. And we also consider a phase wire for a miniature switch that disconnect and connect the power outlet. We also consider the phase wire for a phase controller. Now we go to the installation of single phase outlet. We pass the phase and null wire of the outlet through the hole and secure the outlet in place. Now connect the phase wire to the miniature switch. This switch. And the null wire to the null terminal. This terminal. In this part, we go to the door of the electrical panel. This electrical panel has 4 switches on its door. It also has 3 signal lights and a command switch to turn off and turn on the alarm. The switches on the panel door are connected to the miniature switch inside the panel. In this step, we connected the input and output wires of the switch on the panel door. Each switch has an input and output wire. The input wires of the switch on the electrical panel door are connected to the RCCB switch inside the electrical panel. And the output wires are connected to the miniature switch inside the electrical panel. At this stage, we connected the signal light wires. Each has a phase and a null. Now we arrange the wires on the door of electrical panel. We connect the wires as mentioned. The yellow wires from the RCCB switch inside the electrical panel are connected to the switch on the electrical panel door and then connected to the miniature switch inside the electrical panel. And the green wires are also connected in the same way. Three phases R, S, and T are also connected to the phase controller from the RCCB switch. If 3 RCCB switches are active, the phase controller is active, and if one of these switches is disconnected, the phase controller gives a warning. Now we will do the wiring of the power failure warning device. This device is powered by direct current. We have an adapter here that converts city electricity to direct electricity. In this step, we connected 2 adapter wires to the device. When the phase controller gives an error, pin 15 is connected to the pin 16, and pin 16 is connected to the device with this wire and send a warning SMS. At this stage, the wiring of the electrical panel is done, and in the last step, we close the doors of the ducts. This electrical panel is ready to use. I hope you enjoyed the video.